Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning about how to make a command manager. Now, a command manager is just a really useful tool when you want to, organize your commands and like put it in an organized manner. So it's just going to make making commands easier for you. Okay, so let's begin. First things first, we open up IntelliJ. Okay, now that we have IntelliJ open, we're going to make an outline for every command. So we're going to make an interface that's like the outline of how a command should be, right? So we're going to create a Java class, but this is not an actual like regular class. This is an interface, right? This interface is just we're going to name it command. Command or command, no, just command. We're going to name it command. So this is our interface command. And now we're going to make a few methods in this command with no code in it because it's just an outline of a class. So we're going to make void and run. We're going to make this. First of all, we're going to need a list of the args. List of strings. And we're going to name it args. And yep. So we're gonna have a list of strings which is gonna be the arguments of the command, and we're gonna have a guild message received event. So that's gonna be our run command. So this command has the code, which is gonna like do what happens when a command is triggered. And then we're also going to make a string method, which is get command. Right, yeah, so get command or get name of the command. Right? Yeah, we're going to have a get. No, we're just going to do command. Get command. So now we're going to make a method called get command, which returns a string. And this is just going to get the command, and then we're going to make another method, and this is going to be get help for the help command. This is going to help us with the help command. Okay, so now we have our interface set up. Now we're going to create another class and name it manager. Now this is going to be our command manager, where everything is like organized and like it's easier, it just makes everything easier for us. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna first of all we're gonna make a map, right? We're gonna make a map of strings, and the key is gonna be a string, and the value is gonna be a command, which is the interface we just created right now, right? And we're gonna just name this commands, and we're gonna initialize a hash map, an empty hash map. Empty hash map. Alt enter to import it, and now we're gonna make a constructor, which is not command, manager. We're gonna make a constructor, and the class name is manager, so this is gonna be manager, right? And well, first of all, before we make the constructor, we need the method called add command. So we're gonna make a method that's named add command. By the way, if you don't know what void means, it means it doesn't return anything. And private just means this method can only be accessed in this class, not in thing.java, not in main.java. So just this class. So private void add command. And we do have an argument for this method, which is command. Just name it C, whatever. And then what we're gonna do is if, oh, I can't press shift. If commands dot contains key, if commands dot contains key C dot get command, then we commands dot put, then we do commands dot put C dot get command, comma, and the C. Right? Yes, okay. Yeah, so now we made our add command, and now we have to make our, now we have to make our get commands method, so we can like get a list of our commands. So this is a list of our commands, so it's a collection. Oh, I can't type. It's not a collection, it's a collection. Right, and this collection is a collection of commands, so command. Get commands is the method's name because we're trying to get the commands. And what we're gonna just do is we're gonna just return. We're gonna return commands values. Yes, that. Now what are we gonna do? Now we're gonna make a get command method. So we're gonna make a public method, and it's gonna return a command because it's a get command method, and get command is the name. And this is gonna, and the arguments are gonna be string name of the command, or like string command name, right? And this is just gonna return commands dot get command name. And let's just make this, no, yeah, this is proper. And now, oh wait, we need to check if command name is not, if command name is null, okay, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna make a handle, or like a run. We're gonna make a run method in this. Public, or not public, just void run. Void run. And this one's gonna have a guild message received event. Event. Right? And now we're gonna have final string message get event dot get message dot get content raw. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check if message starts with the prefix. So if message dot starts with constants dot query box prefix. If it doesn't start with message dot starts, if it doesn't start with the prefix, then we're just gonna return. And then we're gonna make an array of all the words. We're gonna make an array of all the words in the message, so we can get the arguments and the command, right? So we're gonna just do message.replace first, and we're gonna do this. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, there, and pattern dot quote, I believe. Was it quote? Yeah, it was quote. Okay, yeah. And then constant dot tutorial bot prefix. And then comma, and then the replacement's just gonna be empty string. And then once we're done with this, we're just gonna dot. Oh yeah, dot split. Slash s plus. Is that not right? Oh, I did the wrong slash. Slash s plus. Okay, so now that we're done with that, oh, comma. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna do. Okay, so now. Okay, now that we have the split, we're gonna make a final string variable and name it command. And this is gonna be split of 0. Or, yeah, dot to lowercase, to just, get more user friendly. And we're gonna see if, oh my god, I'm not hitting my shifts today. So if the commands map contains key, if the command map contains key command, right, and then final list of string, this is going to be the arguments. Oh, I can't import. Oh, there we go. Oh, get that slash out of there. Okay. Now this, we're going to make a list of args, list of the arguments. And it's going to be arrays dot as list split dot sublist 1 and split dot length. Yeah. So that's a list of the arguments. And now we're just gonna get command dot handle. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, handle args, event. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, what did I just do? I don't know what I did. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, okay, so now that we did that, we're gonna just handle everything. So, or we're gonna run everything. Okay, so commands dot get command dot run args and event. There we go. And that's our manager class. Oh, we're not done with this yet, because we need to finish the constructor. We will see more about that later in the future. But for now, we need to make a listener that's listening to all of these commands. So we're gonna create a listener class, right? And this one is it's a listener, so we have to extend listener adapter, which we learned in a previous tutorial. Maybe links in the description below. And now that we've created our listener class, we're gonna we're gonna get our command manager. So we need to do that for public final command manager. Oh wait, not a command, it's just a manager. So we have our manager, and I'll probably name M because it's easier. New manager, right? And then after this, we're gonna just public void on ready, I believe. Yeah. So this is not necessary. You don't have to do this whole thing. You don't have to do this at all. I'm just doing it to know if my bot is online. So I'm just gonna do. We're gonna do this instead. Event dot get JDA dot get self user dot get name is online. Okay, so just a reminder that, hey, look, or not a reminder, it's just a thing that says, look, I'm online. So on ready means as soon as it boots up and like goes online in Discord, it's just gonna print this in your console right here, which we're gonna see later. Okay, so now that we've done that, you don't have to do this. You can delete this if you want. It's not even necessary. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is on guild message receipt, public void on, oh no, I did wrong. So now what we're gonna do is public on guild message received, this one. We're gonna do if, oh, what was that? If the message, if event get mess, oh no, if event get message dot get content raw dot equals ignore case constants dot tutorial bot prefix plus shutdown. If it equals this, oh, and event dot get author event, no wait, I didn't even type event. Event dot get author dot get ID long equals constants dot, oh, looky, we didn't create that variable. So what we're gonna create now is we're gonna leave this here like this for now. And as you can see, there's an error because this is an incomplete expression. But first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Discord, right? And this is our Discord. And as you can see, this is my server. And this is me. Now what we're gonna do is, I know I'm the owner of TutorialBot, so I'm just gonna copy my own ID. I'm gonna copy ID. And if we type it in, if we do Control V in here, you're gonna see my ID, right? So we're just gonna copy that, and we're gonna go back to IntelliJ, and we're gonna open the constants class. Right? You can see we made a prefix variable. Now we're gonna make owner ID variable. So public static long owner ID. And we're gonna just do this and put L and semicolon. Alright, so here we are. We've made our owner ID variable. So if we go back here and we type constants again, we're gonna see owner ID is an option. We're gonna click enter, and there we are. So what this does is it checks if the command is prefix plus shutdown, and if the owner is sending this message, so if the owner sent this message and the message is prefix plus shutdown, then it's gonna shut down the bot. And how do we shut down the bot? We're gonna do event.get JDA dot shut down. There it is. There it is. And we're also gonna just do system.exit 0. Oh, system.exit 0, which is gonna not just turn the whole bot offline, but terminate the whole code. So nothing is running in the background. If you accidentally imported this, you don't need it, so just backspace that. Okay, so we've checked for the shutdown command. Now what we're gonna just do is we're gonna manager dot run. Oh wait, we didn't name it manager, we named it just m. Okay, so we're gonna just do m.run event. And there we are. Okay, so I think we finished with our listener class as well. Yeah, I think this is it. So now we can go on to making even easier and organized commands. So we're gonna change this. This is the ping command. Remember the ping command. If we run this bot, and there it is. Login successful, connected to WebSocket, finish loading. Great. Okay, so let's go back to Discord. Now we see tutorial bots online. If we do ping, I can't. If we do ping, we get our ping, which is 129 milliseconds. Not good, but not this bad. So decent, I guess. So now you see how this actually does work. Instead of doing an add event listener for every single command, we can just turn it into one add event listener, which is going to be just the listener class. And I can't capitalize. I can't press shift today. I don't know why. There it is, listener. So remember how we had all of those commands? We had an add event listener for all those commands. Now we just have one add event listener, which is listener. But now, since we haven't actually added any commands in our constructor, we're gonna have to add commands using the add command method we created right here. So, but we haven't made any commands yet. Okay, you can say this ping command is a command, but it's extending listener adapter, and we're not adding the event listener here, so nothing is really listening for ping. So if we rerun this, the ping command should not actually work. As you can see, since we added the event listener, the listener class tells us when TutorialBot is online. So now we know TutorialBot is online. Cool. So if we go to Discord, looky, TutorialBot's online. But now ping isn't going to work. This command won't work because we removed the add event listener, and we didn't add any commands yet to the manager class in the constructor. So first of all, we're going to have to, well, let's just remove all the code in this class for now. And let's remove the extend listener adapter. And remove all these imports. Okay, so now we have a clean class, just like how we started by creating it. So first things first, we're going to implement command. Now what's command? Remember command from this? The interface we created, command. So that's what we're implementing here. And now for implementing, because we're implementing command, we have to implement all its methods too. So if we just hover over this, we're gonna see this. So now just click Alt Enter, click on Implement Methods. You see this window on this monitor or second monitor. You should get this. Click OK, and as you can see, it imports every single method for us. So these are our 3 methods. This is this is the code that's gonna run every time a ping command is triggered. This is the get command. So like, what's our command here? Our command is ping, right? So our command is ping. And get help. What does this command do? Gives you the latency between the bot and JDA. And it gives you the gateway ping of the bot is a better way to say it. And then we're gonna do /n, sorry. We're gonna go here, not after the comma, before the comma, click enter. And it does some stuff automatically for us. Oh wait, not the comma. I said comma, my bad. We're gonna go before the apostrophe, not after, before, and click enter. Now this is just an easier way to do stuff. Anyways, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna give the usage of it, like the command usage and stuff, which is, oh, did I put that there? That's not supposed to be there. Usage, which is the constants dot prefix constants. There it is. Dot tutorial bot prefix, and then plus get command, and then plus this. Oh, but yeah, just that. There it is. That's the help. Now what this does is it just does this, and /n means new line, and then after the new line it just does we go to usage colon space and then this thingy, which is just Discord formatting. If you don't know what this is, you can just search up about Discord formatting and you'll learn more about it. And then this is the constants.tutorial bot prefix. This is the prefix, and then get command is literally just ping. So whatever this is plus whatever this is, which is exclamation mark ping, and then the ending for the formatting. So this is it, but we need some code to run for this command. So we're gonna get channel dot send message dot queue. This should just be the basic code that we did last time. If you forgot the code for all of this, you can just go back to my older tutorial and figure the code out, or just go to my GitHub. It's linked in the description below. Message dot get edit message dot queue. And there it is. That's the ping method. That's a ping command. Sorry, not method, command. Right? And so now that we have a ping command, we can go back to the manager. And this manager, now we're gonna use the add command method, right? And it's just gonna be add command. And we're gonna add a ping command. Now this isn't working. Why? Import class. There it is. Okay. Remember, Alt Enter, the best shortcut in the whole of IntelliJ. Alt Enter. Anyways, manager add command. Yes, so this should work now. If we rerun or terminate, then run this, we should get it. Let's see. We don't need any of this anymore. Okay, unsuccessful connected to WebSocket. Finished loading tutorial bots online. Great. Okay, so now if we try ping, we get the ping, which is 132 milliseconds. Great. So yeah, that's basically it. That's a nice way to make commands. It's much easier. As you can see, it's very easy to make commands now because the manager really does organize it, especially for the help command, which we're gonna go over in a later tutorial, probably the next one. So yeah, I think this is gonna be the end for today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.